As a beekeeper, one of our biggest enemies is the Varroa mite, which are theoretically bee fleas. They can wipe out a hive in a matter of weeks. So what do I do to try and mitigate that? As you can see here, I have 10 frames inside this box, and I've got 2 of these brood boxes on this hive. What I need to do is add some oxalic acid strips, which look like these, which are actually organic but are poisonous to Varroa mites, but safe for the bees. So here I have the old oxalic strip, which is now expired, so it's out with the old and in with the new. And I'll put one based on how many brood frames there are. So brood is these capped cells here. Depending on how many of these frames there are full of brood, depends on how many oxalic acid strips I put in there to try and stop Varroa in their tracks. So in this particular hive, what I'll do is I'll probably put 3 in there, but I'll put them pretty close and near the front of the hive as well. And then the same for the other box on this hive too. In this particular box I'll be putting 4 strips in because there are more brood frames. So how do the strips work? Basically the bees will walk all over the strips, and because they have oxalic acid inside these strips, the bees will move the oxalic acid all around the hive, which has an active ingredient that is poisonous to Varroa mites, and it kills any Varroa mites that it comes into contact with. However, it's safe for the bees. And that's how we fight against Varroa. Look who managed to get out. Her Royal Highness the Queen. Better put her back, she's kind of important. Come and follow my beekeeping journey on my YouTube channel. Mind your business with Andy G. See you there.